Meaning of death rate.
Death rate.
Death rate.
Death rate.
Death rate. The death rate is a statistical measure that represents the number of deaths that occur within a specific population over a defined period, typically expressed as a ratio or a percentage. It is used to understand the mortality risk associated with a particular disease, condition, or demographic group. A high death rate indicates that a larger proportion of the population is dying, while a low death rate suggests a lower level of mortality. Understanding death rates is vital in public health and medical research to identify potential health hazards and devise appropriate interventions to prevent avoidable deaths.